I'm Emma. Have you noticed the new standard in the luxury gift packaging? The brand new No-Crease paper bag is taking over the global market. From jewelry, perfume to apparel, these bags are dominating shifts. Early adopters didn't just gain market share, they achieved ROI in just 3 months. Nowadays, Oyang 5.0 is coming, built after 5 years of R&D and validated by over 150 global clients, backed by over 30 patents, and recognized as a provincial first set, meaning we invented the global standard. Engineered for efficiency, with a compact footprint of less than 60 square meters, it fits where others can't. Single sheet fitting, automatic ribbon insertion, no button cut required. Fully servo controlled, it requires only one operator. Output reaches 2,400 bags per hour with OEE over 95%. Rapid changeover supports both mass production and small custom runs. The Magic Cube structure allows modular customization, middle ribbon insertion, double top reinforcement, revert function, paper ribbon, round rope handles, water-based glue. You can configure it your way. For the No-Crease luxury gift paper bag machine that sells, trust the global pioneer, Oyang Machinery. Contact Emma for a live demo.